My son is a student at an FE college. Now, you've just mentioned that students from 16 to 21 will be able to travel for £1, but the buses as they currently exist don't travel at times that are suitable for very many students. So how are you going to respond to the needs of those students who can't travel by bus going to a town or college with fit-for-purpose bus service?
This is a really interesting point that we are going to be exploring at the summit. It's a challenge that's been highlighted particularly by Coleg Cambria recently, in that there are very difficult decisions for FE institutions around paying for transport, and passing costs on to young people who are accessing education can be very, very difficult. But we are exploring options for supporting FE institutions through media as well, gathering the evidence and the data, carrying out a mapping exercise so that networks are better planned and provided for. But of course, the bus bill will be important in this regard as well. It's got a wider remit than simply addressing the challenges associated with learner travel. But once we have control of the bus network, we can look at opportunities, more opportunities, and make the best and most efficient use of buses on the public network to support effective and affordable learner travel, to make sure that more people who are accessing education can get buses that are on regular scheduled routes that meet the needs of passengers above the needs of profit makers. Now, we are